Hey y'all! Today I'm going to talk about packing for a long weekend trip to Denver that's coming up and show you what all I take with me. I probably take a little too much, but I like some options. I've got my tech, I've got my toiletries, I've got some locks, and then my clothes and shoes and jewelry. And these are the two bags I'm going to be using. This is just your standard backpacker's backpack. It's a little smaller than a lot of backpacker backpacks. And I'm not quite sure what brand it is. I got it off Amazon. They're pretty cheap because I don't usually carry a backpack. I usually do a roller bag. But because we're going to be staying in a hostel in Denver, I decided to go with the backpack. And then I'm also going to be taking this smaller backpack for like my runaround day pack. And I got this at Target. And it's super cute and functional. And that's what I'm going to be putting in most of my like charger, phone, smaller things, sunglasses for the plane ride over. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you what I'm packing and where I'm packing it into to make everything fit in these two bags. Let's start off with jewelry. I don't take any real jewelry with me just for the simple fact that people like to steal real jewelry. So I've got a headband / necklace, some fashion earrings, some fashion rings, a little cuff here, and I just throw all of that in this little drawstring bag. And then I throw it in my trusty little backpack. Next, I have the shoes. I've got some fancy new shoes. I haven't wore them yet. You can still see. They've got the paper in them. I'm going to wear that if we go out on the town. This is my walking boots, also new. I think I'm setting myself up for failure with these new shoes. My feet are probably going to be killing me, but I'm going to look good. And then I have my shower flip-flops for the hostel. This has got my bras and undies in it, and it's also going to be used as a dirty clothes bag along with this bag. All of these are going in this smaller packing cube. And then I've got a jacket, a sweater, a flannel, a crop, I guess you can call it, what do you call that? It's sweatshirt, a little crop sweatshirt to wear around the hostel if it's cold. And then I've got a t-shirt, an undershirt to wear with my flannel, and a cami to wear underneath my t-shirt. I've got 2 pairs of jeans. I've got 2 pajama pants and 1 pajama shirt, and then a dress to wear with my boots. And then I also have a beanie, and I think I'm going to wear a really cute hat on the plane, but I haven't decided. This is my little under the clothes money belt that I may or may not wear depending on where we go. Got 2 pairs of sunglasses. All of the clothes and the beanie and this are going in this bigger packing cube. The sunglasses will go in that bag. Now moving on to the tech and the toiletries, the 2 T's. I've got, well, let's start off with this. This is a microfiber towel for taking a shower at the hostel, and this is an inflatable pillow just in case the pillows there aren't too comfortable. I have got my 2 phone cases that I'm bringing with me, and then I've got my selfie stick, which I may or may not bring. I haven't decided yet. This is a light to put on my phone just to make things a little more exciting, I guess. This is obviously a plug for charging anything. I don't know how many plugs the hostel has, so I'm just going to bring this. This is a flash drive that plugs into my phone so that I can put all of my stuff on here and capture more things because I'm just vlogging with my phone. And then we have, this is a little thing that I've gotten. We're going to do a little road trip down south when we get to Denver. We're going to the Royal Gorge and to Colorado Springs. So I'm going to put that in the car so that I can videotape our road trip hands-free. Some locks. And then we've got, this is just little lenses for my phone if I need to use those. I've got some headphones. I've got chargers, little tripod chargers, and that is all going in here. Not all of it, just the tech stuff is going to go in here. The locks, I think I can fit in one of the outside pockets in there. And these two things, I think I might try to fit in the larger bag with my clothes. Moving on to the toiletries, we have makeup, of course. We've got toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, deodorant, lotion, all the good things. For wrinkled clothes, I might put some fake nails on for the trip. We've got some Lysol because, you know, life gets dirty. Face washes, shampoos, conditioners, body soaps, all the fun things. Some spray, some makeup wipes, some earbuds for the hostel because you never know who snores. We've got some more hair products here. This, most important, when you have asthma, you gotta have your breathing utensils. It's my inhalers. And then here is my little travel brushes and hair ties. So that will all go in, especially the liquids, individual little plastic bags. And then I would put them in the outside pockets of this. And the shoes and the clothes that go in those two, along with the tech, are going in the big part of this bag. So yeah, I say it's time to get packing. Thanks for watching me get ready for Denver and packing and sweating, trying to get everything in the bag because I tend to pack too much. I took a few things out before I cut it all in there, so good to go. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you like the video. Pretty soon I'll be having our Denver exploration vlogs out. Have fun and explore life.